In this video, we will see how we can save backup copies, so how we can transfer pictures, but also other type of files from our smartphone to our computer. So this is of course for safety reason, so that you lose one or the other device, or it gets broken, or the hard disk doesn't work anymore. You don't lose all your pictures, so you can always retrieve them. So by creating multiple copies is better, it's safer. So you can see here, well, this is in Italian, but you just need to activate when you plug in your USB the file transfer, and by clicking on the debug options, and then you can see there it's gonna appear. You can click there, you can open it up using that little note that is gonna appear, or you can just go directly in your Windows folder here and just go to your PC, and you should see also your device which has been connected. So again, remember to enable transfer files or transfer photos. Now we're gonna get inside there, we're gonna get into the pictures folder, into the photo folders, which it's usually this one here, DCIM. So look for DCIM in the folder here of your smartphone and double click. So here also you can manage files, you can copy, you can paste, you can delete. And this is the camera file where you will find all your pictures stored, or your photographs, and also you have the screenshots folder, and sometimes you also have other folders which are pictures coming from other apps. But from the camera, the main camera of your smartphone, it's here. So you will find everything in this folder called camera. So double click there and choose the picture, or just copy the entire folder into another hard disk, which could be another hard disk connected to your computer, or could be the hard disk which is already inside your computer, or also SSD, solid state disks. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward. You can copy and paste any document or any image, any video that you find in your smartphone folder from your smartphone into your device. So create multiple copies and keep your files safe. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. If you want to support us, please join as a supporter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.